Guys, welcome back. Kaya hindi ako naka-record ng couple minutes kasi yung aking YouTube nawala, naka-unable. Tapos nahuli ako ng YouTube, napansin ako na 16-17 yata o 2016 ako pinaanak. Kaya ako ay nawala. Pero ang good news, nabalik ko. Pero ang ibang YouTube ko, channel ko, nawala. Hindi ako nakikipagbiruan, guys. Nawala ng todo. Kinakabahan ako akala magsa-start ulit ako ng YouTube channel. Kasi naglalaro akong Blackfruit, nagbablog ako, kaso nawala. Hindi nagana. Kaya pinaayos ko. Nung pinaayos ko, natutek akong 8 years old. Ng YouTube, bawal yung lowest by 18 years old. Kaya, nahuli ang akin account. Pero, nabalik ko naman. Okay. Tuturuan ko naman kayo paano mag-gymnast. Dero kang gym lang. DIY gym. Okay? Tara. I'm back, and this is our gym. Look, this is so good. And if you like a pro, just do like this. Or do you are in noob like this? Joking. Once you are a pro, just do that, okay? And call me once you need a upgrade of a account. Okay. Okay, guys. Zoro the Explorer. Okay, my friend destroyed Zoro because he said Zoro is the explorer, that Dora is the... Look at it. Look at it. I see it on YouTube. Boy. Medyo mo lang. Ikaw mag-direct. And guys, iikot. Ton ka yun. And for today's video na I'm videoing earlier, right? Who's still watching? You are not watching. You are a first time subscribe. You need to subscribe right now. That subscribe and put a link below. Okay. I will teach you parkour. Boy, baba. I will teach you parkour, okay? You cannot know parkour when I did not teach you. Okay, first step. We need a director. Oh my God. Hello. Okay, be the director. Okay, first step. You need to be run fast you can. Like that. You need to be like I should speed like this.